Have you ever wondered why the sun shines so brightly? Picture this, a gigantic glowing ball of light hanging in the sky, burning with such intensity that it lights up our whole world. Isn't it fascinating? This is our sun, the heart of our solar system. But what makes it shine so brightly? What secrets does it hold? We're about to embark on an exciting journey to uncover the mysteries of our sun. So are you ready? Let's dive into the world of the sun and find out. Imagine a giant ball of fire so vast and bright, that's our sun. Now, let's take a bit of a closer look. Our sun is actually a star, just like the tiny ones twinkling in the night sky. It appears so much bigger and brighter because it's much closer to us than any other star. But what makes the sun glow like a huge fireball? It's a process called nuclear fusion. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a bunch of tiny, invisible Lego pieces called atoms. When these atoms squeeze together really tight, they stick together or fuse to form a bigger piece. When this happens, a lot of energy is released, and voila, that's nuclear fusion, and it's what gives the sun its warmth and light. So the sun is like a giant fiery kitchen cooking up light and heat for us every day. Did you know that the sun plays a super important role in our solar system? Just like a school principal, the sun is the boss of the solar system. Its gravity is like a giant cosmic lasso, keeping all the planets, including our Earth, in their orbits. Imagine the sun as the center of a giant merry-go-round, with all the planets spinning around it. But the sun's role doesn't stop at being the solar system's merry-go-round operator. It's also the reason for life on Earth as we know it. The sun is like a colossal, natural power plant, providing us with the heat and light we need to survive. It's the reason our planet is warm enough for us to live comfortably, and why plants can grow, providing food and oxygen for all creatures big and small. So you see, our sun is quite the superstar. Without our sun, Earth would be like a car without an engine. It just wouldn't work. The sun is not just a light and heat source, it also protects us. Sounds cool, right? Now you might be wondering, how does the sun do this? Well, our sun, like a big, powerful superhero, has a magnetic field. This magnetic field is like an invisible shield that surrounds the sun. Here's where it gets interesting. The sun constantly sends out streams of charged particles, known as the solar wind. This solar wind is powerful, and if it weren't for the sun's magnetic field, it could potentially strip away the Earth's atmosphere. Yes, you heard that right. The very air we breathe could be swept away into space. But thanks to the sun's magnetic field, these harmful solar winds are deflected. They're turned aside, kept at bay, our atmosphere stays safe, and we can continue to enjoy our blue skies and breathable air. It's truly fascinating how the sun, while millions of miles away, plays such a crucial role in our everyday lives. So the sun is like a big, strong superhero, always protecting us. Now that we've learned so much about the sun, let's sum up the key points. Firstly, our sun is more than just a bright light in the sky. It's a star, a great ball of fire, burning brightly day after day. Imagine a million Earths fitting inside. That's how big our sun is. It's so hot that it's always glowing, giving us the light and warmth we need to live. Secondly, the sun plays a crucial role in our solar system. It's the boss, the big cheese, the head honcho. Everything, including our Earth, revolves around it, almost like it's the star of the show. The sun's gravity holds all the planets in their orbits, making sure they don't wander off into space. Lastly, let's not forget the sun's protective shield. This is a bit like an invisible superhero cape that protects us from harmful solar wind. It's called the magnetosphere, a big word, but a very important one. This shield deflects solar wind away from Earth, keeping our planet safe and sound. Now let's put it all together in a fun rhyme. Sun, sun, you're so bright, burning with all your might. You're the boss of day and night, with your shield of invisible light. So the next time you see the sun shining brightly in the sky, you'll know just how special it really is.